We are in Matsushima, a coastal town along the northern Pacific coast of the main Honshu island of Japan. In Fukushima Prefecture, Matsushima has really scenic islands dotted along the coast. It's about 45 minutes to an hour north of Sendai, which is the main city. Anyways, it's cherry blossom season also. And we're staying at a ryokan called Matsushima Sakan Shoan. So this is one of the hallways. And we are staying in a room called Oimatsu, which is a B-type Japanese Western corner room. That's the actual type of room. You can see some nice little decorations outside the room. But anyways, let's go inside. Yeah. Oh. All right. So we come in here. This is the entrance hallway. Again, little things here and there. Love the nice little touches in many of the Japanese ryokans. So anyways, this is the hallway, and this is the mini bar with refrigerator, coffee, tea, water. And so this is the main living area. Let's go inside. Again, the name, this room is called Oimatsu. It's a Japanese Western corner room. It's Japanese in that they have tatami mats for the floors. And you sit on zabuton, the pillows. And then it's Western in that it has Western style beds. But you can see the decor is distinctly Japanese, very traditional ryokan style. There's a little vanity area here. So let's swing back around and take another look at the main living room with TV. Let's zoom out. All right. So the calling card for Matsushima is the gorgeous ocean views with many pretty islands. And so there's a little sitting area to enjoy it. And then this is what it looks like. You can see some heron, or egrets, I should say, fishing out there. Anyways, this is the view from our room. It's in a little alcove, as you can see. So backing up, this is the main living area. So let's take a look now. You can either come in this way or from the hallway. You can open this up, sliding door. And this is the bedroom. So Western style, looks pretty comfortable. Again, a Japanese hanging scroll. So this is the bedroom. There's a closet over here, standard closet. I'm not going to open it. And then let's back out of here, back out into the hallway. And so coming in here is the wash basin 2 sinks, which is very nice, always. And then you have the towels, even a scale. And then this is the shower and bath. Unfortunately here, the bath is not of the onsen variety, and you actually have to fill it up with water just like a typical bath in a typical hotel. But they also don't have a bath in the, there's no communal onsen bath either. So usually a lot of the ryokans, they might not have enough onsen water. So they, when they drill it, there's just not too much. But you'll get it by going to the communal bath, but not here. So this is the toilet. And typical in many Japanese places, you have a sink. Oh, and they even have a urinal. So anyways, no onsen whatsoever, either in the room or communally in one of the dairyokujo public baths. So if that's what you're looking for, this is not for you. But if you're in the Sendai area, and more specifically you'd like to be in Matsushima, then this is certainly not going to be a bad choice. It's arguably the most luxurious of the ryokans. Let's see the view. An alcove along Matsushima Bay. Looks like it's kind of a mud flat here. Let's see. Egret flying off. Anyway, so Matsushima Sakan Shoan in Matsushima, Fukushima, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.